Stock Market for Beginners in India. Step-by-Step Guide 2026. Do you want to start investing in the stock market but don't know where to begin? Simple language. Especially for beginners in India. Let's get started. Understand what stock market is. The stock market is a place for that company. If the company grows, your investment grows. Demat account to store your shares. Trading account to buy and sell shares. You can open an account using brokers like Zerodha, Upstocks, or Grow. The process is fully online and takes less than 24 hours. Learn basic stock analysis. Before buying any stock, check these basics. Company profit growth. Debt levels, 50-50. This reduces risk compared to picking random stocks. Start small and invest regularly. Don't invest all your money at once. IP, the systematic investment plan. Consistency is